Perched atop Nob Hill within the larger California Masonic Memorial Temple, the AF Masonic Auditorium or the Masonic first opened in 1958 and is today both a meeting space for the California Freemasons as well as a mid-sized, 3,300 admission capacity Live Nation concert venue. It underwent a complete renovation in 2014 and reopened with the Beverly Hills-based venue operator at its helm, complete with a new concert stage, a sound system specifically designed for the space, and a tiered levels that can accommodate both seats and open floor space as needed. Joan Baez, Elvis Costello and the Imposters, and Broadway's Sarah Brightman, Phantom of the Opera, have all recently performed here, along with comedians like Conan O'Brien and San Francisco native, Ali Wong. The Masonic is known for its mid-century modernist architectural style, as well as a massive lobby mural made of everything from seashells to grass that illustrates the history of California Masonry.